Number 2. Which diagram shows a flower from monocotyledon? So monocotyledon means it's a plant that has one cotyledon in the seed. So in its seed. Okay. So this is the embryo part of the seed, and this part is called cotyledon. So cotyledon stores food molecules. Embryo becomes a plant when it germinates. So the upper part becomes a shoot, and the lower part becomes the roots or root. Okay, so this is the shoot. This is the root. Anyways, and monocotyledons have some characteristics, such as they have petals. They have these petals, and the number of petals are 3 or 4. Actually, it's actually not 4. They actually have multiple of 3 petals. Okay, so A, B, C. These guys actually have 5 petals, so they are likely to be dicotyledonous plants or dicotyledons. Okay, but D has 6 petals, which is of course multiple of 3. So D is the answer for this one.